Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see how to connect Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager.
At first, we have to go Google Tag Manager. I will write Google Tag Manager here. Google Tag Manager. Then click here. Okay, I have done a lot of work here before. So many tag manager are showing. It's not a problem. You may not see anything here. We will click on the create account. After clicking create account, it will ask for information like this. So we will now give our information. First, we will give the name of our account. So I will give my website name here. My website name is Shopping Extra. Then country, United Kingdom. Okay. Container setup. The container name is our website link. So we will go to our website. Here is our website. Copy the website link and paste it here. Since we will link up with the website, so we will click on the web. Then create it. I also accept. Then we will click yes. Okay, a tag manager account has been opened in the name of my website. Now we have to go to Google Analytics. I will write Google Analytics here. Then click here. Go to Analytics. Then we need to click on Admin. Click on the data stream. So we need to log into WordPress. Add streams. Web. Yes. Our website link. We will go to our website and copy stream name, my website name, Shopping Extra. Create and continue. Here is our website. Then the measurement ID will be displayed. Copy the measurement ID. I will go back to Tag Manager. Then click on the tags. Click New Tag Configuration. Since this is the main tag, so I will click on the Google tag. Tag ID. Copy the measurement ID and paste it. There will be on all pages trigger. Then I will save it. Google tag save. Submit. Then publish and continue.